You putting your money in the market, but do you even know if you're trading or investing? 80% of retail traders lose money within the first year. Most people think trading is just faster investing. Like, bro, you're just buying and selling stocks quicker, right? Wrong. Trading is like a poker game. You're betting on short-term price moves, reading charts, fighting algorithms and professional Wall Street guys who do this for a living. Investing, that's Warren Buffett buying Coca-Cola and literally just waiting. One builds wealth slow and steady. The other can wipe your account before lunch. Morgan Housel, author of Psychology of Money, said it straight. The best investors don't make more trades, they make fewer. Time in the market always beats timing the market. So, real talk, are you actually building your future, or are you just gambling with a nicer name for it?